After a dreary Saturday, Sunday, we begin to get a little hint of what's coming up. 80s to the west, 70s to the east. The I-95 corridor, basically upper 70s. But as we move this ahead, Monday we're a couple of degrees warmer across the whole area. Just around the water, always remember this time of year, it's a lot chillier along the water because of the winds off the ocean. So that's not a typo over there. That lighter color is temperatures chillier. As we get into Tuesday, you can see I-95, you're up finally into the lower 80s. A lot of Pennsylvania, 80s are popping up, and if you don't make it to the 80s, you're in the upper 70s. So it does warm up, and we got to move this ahead to we'll move this ahead to Wednesday, and you can see some upper 80s to near 90s starting to pop out here. And this is out in Western Maryland and out that way, out in West Virginia. The I-95 corridor, you're up a few more degrees. You're into the mid 80s. You can see the central part of Pennsylvania, temperatures into the mid 80s, Pittsburgh mid 80s. And then you go out to Wednesday, and you can see a front come through. See it right there? That's at 7 o'clock in the morning, Thursday morning. So it's going to come across, and it's going to cool things off. If you look on Thursday, that warm, hot air has been pushed into Jersey towards New York City and then southern Delaware. And then this gets really chilly. We go from feeling like summer to pretty chilly. This is the morning of the 24th, Friday. You can see temperatures in the 40s in a lot of areas. Just the south central and southeastern part of the state are in the 50s. But everywhere else it's gotten pretty chilly. And during the day, the northern part of the state, quite chilly. Temperatures in the 50s, southern part of the state into the 60s. And then here's where we get interesting. This is Saturday morning. Let's see if we can bring this up. Saturday morning, um, temperatures in the 30s. These areas are all 30s. Just Pittsburgh, you stay in the low 40s. Um, Here's Reading and Allentown, Philadelphia, Harrisburg. You're in the 40s. Philadelphia gets around 50. Here's Jersey. Temperatures drop into the 40s in the center part of the state. So quite a chilly. So we're going to go from, feeling a little bit closer to summer to where the bottom drops out next Friday, and we get back into chillier weather for a few days. And that takes us to Memorial Day. These are your high temperatures on Memorial Day, 60s, and the higher elevations in the northern part of the state, the I-95 corridor down here by Philadelphia and Trenton. You get into around 80 out by Pittsburgh. You get into the upper 70s. And precipitation wise, yes, you got rain coming across the state. It starts off uh, out here about 7 in the morning, and it spreads across the state, gets into eastern PA by 7, 8 o'clock in the evening, and there could be some heavier showers, maybe even a thunderstorm. So we'll keep an eye out for that and see if somehow we can talk Mother Nature out of that rain. All right, everybody, take care.